Hey everyone, it's Erin with Simply Made by Erin. The tutorial today is going to be how to work a half double crochet in the third or middle loop. This is a really fun stitch. I have a hat that I created, and this band right here was done with half double crochet in the third loop. It creates this really pretty ribbing and it makes the band super stretchy. I really like to use it. So anyway, let's get started. So I already created a round of foundation half double crochet, and if you're not familiar with how to create a foundation row or round, then I have another video that I just created, so I'll link it below and you can check that out as well. So this is what a normal crochet or a normal half double crochet would look like. So you'd yarn over, insert your hook under the two loops that form what look like a V, drop a loop, and then pull through all three loops on the hook. If you're looking at the previous row, you can see the V's. So that's 1 and 2. And if you turn it slightly, you'll find under here there's a third loop. That's where you work the third or middle loop of half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you yarn over, turn it a little bit, insert your hook under that third or middle loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, and draw through all three loops. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook into that middle third loop. It's kind of in the back. Pull up a third loop, yarn over, draw through all three loops on the hook. So yarn over, insert hook, draw up a loop, pull through all three loops on the hook. Okay, so here you can see the difference. This would be a traditional half double crochet in both loops. This is a half double crochet in the third or middle loop. Let's do one more. And there you have it. I really love this stitch and I use it a lot. I think it almost looks like a knit stitch. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please put them below or shoot me an email. Thank you and have a good day.